Good morning, plumbers. As you know, we're a plumbing service company. Today, I'm putting in a pool service for a gas heater. With that, I gotta send my two guys, CB2 and his helper, to the job. I'm gonna use House Call Pro to do that. It's a great business app. Check it out. It is a great tool. Sending the guys via the app on your telephone. Via the app, I can send CB2 and his crew to the job site at the touch of a phone. Start time, stop time, to let the customers know, all via text or email. Check the link below, housecallpro.com/Chuck Barron, and set up your free demo. If you use that link, your first month is 19 bucks. It's a great tool, folks. Check it out. It's a game changer. Here's what we're doing. We're roughing in a gas line for the pool. Coming down here, down to the pool heater. It's just gonna be a three-man job. Coming down here, already pre-dug to our heater. A Ray pack.
At least the sheet is dug.
So right here, we'll fish it to me. We'll work the three under this pipe. Okay.
Alright.
It'll be a little bit of a wrestling match.
Yeah. Yeah, we definitely didn't have enough pipe for this. After the last job.
That was 1 inch. This is 1.25 inches.
Oh, okay.
So,
We're gonna get right behind where my dad is.
yeah, roll it back this way. Alright, hold on. Pull back. There you go. This is not flexible like the other stuff.
Yeah. Got it.
You just need one guy on roll, Brownie. Come on over here. Chuck, you gotta keep on rolling so we can keep moving, alright? Go slow. Let me know if you get jammed up.
A little, yeah.
Tell you what, pull that tape off of there. It's gonna be hard because we got to go the opposite way on the bend here. Hold on one sec, hold on one sec. You gotta fish it under that pipe there. Even if you gotta work it backwards, alright? There you go. Yeah, you can bend it, absolutely. There you go. Chuck, you got hurt again. Chucky's really soft today.
Knew there was a reason I made you some trenches under those lines.
Oh yeah. All right, Brownie.
Yep.
Hold on one sec. Let's see what we got. This will work. So, all right, this is good. Let's go see. Yep. Tell Brownie. Right there. Give me some dirt right here, Brownie.
Your shovel?
Yeah. What's that, Pat? I'm gonna get a piece of foam. Do the same thing with the wire you do with the pipe, right, Brownie? Hi, Chuck.
Hey, Dad.
Good morning, Chuck.
Morning, Dad.
No, it's not. It's Boss today.
Morning, boss. Good?
We'll get this end set, and then you guys can start backfilling backwards.
Okay.
Pull the 90 out without getting dirt in it. Just like a Windex bottle. See how cool.
What does it really do?
It actually rains it. Real nice.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. And then we spray the outside so it slides on the O-ring nicely nice. Oh, hold on. We'll do something first. Because this should go on. You can use this as your marker. That's how far it should go on. Don't bury this yet. We'll test this. Okay. Matter of fact, see how this is. I'll just. Let's dig this out a little bit right here. Yeah. And that's just this piece a little bit.
I work with chocolate. For backfill.
Keep the dirt off the grass, okay?
Okay.
Tamp it, get the tamper. I'll show you when you get close, I'll show you what to do, alright? The tamper so we can put the grass back correctly. We didn't take it out, but we're gonna. I'm proud of you. That should be better. Okay. All right, boys and girls, here we go.
Dad, you still need a shovel?
Now, take it. Tell you what, give me a hand real quick while you're here.
90?
Yeah. Mark this. Listen, real slow, okay?
Wow.
You gonna put that in on? Yeah. Let's go on. What time did you get home last night? Get this. Here, get that out of there. I'll get the door on that. Get those capped. Real slow. Hold on. Look, twist. All right, you're good. Okay. I like that right there, baby. This is my new tool. Creates a nice beveled edge. There you go. See how it's nice and square? Put this in like so. There you go. Bevels it so it goes on the fitting easier. And some lube on the outside, and you're golden. Put the air test on. Now I know this will open up inch and a quarter. We're gonna find out. Oh yeah. Then I got the big boys over there for the final cinching. You know. There we go. Bang, bang, bang. Rah. A little bit overkill. 24s, but ooh, I kind of like that. Am I that powerful with a 10? Guess I am. The boys are progressing on the backfill. Mr. Brownie, he's getting his workout in. Inspector's coming, so we got to show him everything. See what happens when you hoot with the owls at night? You don't soar with the eagles in the morning, Brownie. Oh, I'm a little weak right now. Oh my Lord. You kidding me? I got 24s on this. Let's see what we can do here. Oh, yeah. Oh, there we go. Whew. Starting to sweat it. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah, baby. I'm glad I brought these. A little 24 action. Alright, boys. Gauge time.
that do test for leaks or something?
Yeah, I'll put an air test on it, and then we're going to test them 2 couplings in the ground.
Yep.
Hit it with some leak detector, and then we can call it a day because everything's out of the ground. We just gotta make sure there's no fault in the pipe, you know?
Yep.
I got on 10 pounds. But look, now we can just do this. Test everything up here.
See if it's bubble, like air's coming
Yeah.
in.
I just had Angelo on the phone. I should have asked him where he left the leak detector at. Now we're using Windex, which is just as good. I keep smelling gas over here.
Yeah, I did too.
So let's see what we got. A lot of times you'll get gas out of this vent right here. Must be the vent. Nothing's leaking. You'll get some like overflow right there. How's Chuck feeling today?
$1 million.
We're looking good. Looking good, folks. Holding 10. Alright, we're holding fast. It's a wrap for the inspector. We shall be back. Boys are putting it in out here. I'm leaving. They're putting down sod, making it look right. Looking good. Hey! They were giving you a nice compliment on the sod job.
Really?
Yes. No, it looks good. Get the tamper. Alright. That's a little low. There you have it. Got me a fresh shirt on and a fresh start. Boys are putting the sod back in and we're waiting for the inspection. Put a couple pipes in the ground so we can measure down. It's all good. With that, we'll see you at the next one.